Explained. The tachymetry of a mechanical Fortis watch. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how the tachymeter works on a mechanical watch. For this, you need a chronograph function and a fixed bezel with the tachymetry scale. The function is designed to measure speed. For example, if you want to know how many kilometers per hour you have been driving on average. Of course, you need to know the distance. At the starting point, you activate the chronograph. Once you have driven 1 kilometer, you press again. What a coincidence that here in Switzerland, it stops at 120 kilometers per hour. The whole thing also works in miles, of course, in which case the result is in miles per hour. Actually, you can measure everything with it. Do you also have a question? Let us know in the comments below. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.